this video, I'm going to show you how to fix request limit exceeded in 1xBet. So it will be simple to do. Before continuing the video, I invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to by email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. Firstly, you must know that the request limit exceeded error on 1xBet typically occurs when you have sent too many requests to the server in a short period of time, or these are technical issues. So what are you going to do now to resolve the problem? Firstly, you must try the option of to wait and retry later, because by waiting and retrying later is often also temporary for the error. Waiting to 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. Avoid refreshing the page or even the application. If the application is open, you just have, for example, to remove it, or you can also discharge the app, meaning that by coming to your settings here, you will come to general. Now you will come to the storage of the iPhone. Now by clicking at the type or the search bar, you will type now 1xBet by clicking on it. So you will just discharge the app here. By discharging the app, it will also help you so as to clear all the cookies and other malware resources. So when everything is set now, you have also other options, like for example to also use the application on Google or on the internet. By coming now to Google here, you can just type your 1xBet so as to use it for a temporary moment. And now by using it now here, you will just connect, put your email so as to bet normally as you used to do on your application, and vice versa. You can also contact the 1xBet service, where you can ask general questions or even security service. So all the links here are provided for you in all the categories that you need for the problem, so as to discuss with the assistance of 1xBet so as to help you in your problem. And it is as easy as that.